know how to unplug these shits. That was the high beam. This is what I need. Right there.
What's going on, guys? Koozie F30 here. So I finally replaced my headlights. My right low beam actually went out last night, so I went on Amazon and just ordered some H7 LEDs. I ended up getting them shipped to me in an hour and a half, which was freaking awesome. Like that was sick. How the hell did it get here that fast? Yeah, but no, I have a couple of clips of like what one of them looks like on, because obviously one was out. And I mean, I had a clip in a different video of how crappy the yellow ones looked. It was like a buyer's guide for BMW. I don't know how long ago that video would have been by the time I upload this. I kind of recorded me installing them. I'm gonna put the clips in of that as well, but honestly, this is just a review of them, and I freaking love them. I should have done it a long time ago. It looks so much better having a white light on the road compared to a freaking yellow light. The yellow is so ugly, and it's a 2016, and it's an LCI. There's no reason I should have had a yellow halogen bulb. It looks so much nicer. It needed to have been done a year ago, but me being cheap, I just waited till the headlight went out before I even thought of replacing it. This is gonna be a pretty short video, but I love the headlights. If you guys like what you see, I'm gonna have the link to the headlights in the description so you could buy them yourself. The only issue I have is the bracket that holds the headlight in place. There's no way for me to transfer that over to this headlight. So I actually am gonna have to tape them in place, because I've been driving for a little bit already, and one of them fell out a little bit, and it's not, I don't have a full headlight on the road right now, so I'm gonna have to tape them in place. That's the only downside. I don't know if Auxbeams has a way to do it, but the ones I bought, you can't transfer that bracket over. Well, that's it. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Have a good night. Have a good day whenever you're watching this. Whatever. Peace out.